What's up YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So previously I did a video on how to increase your views on YouTube, so this is going to be a part 2 to that. So if you guys have not checked it out, feel free to check the video out. There provides some valuable information that can help your channel grow, especially if you're new. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Today we got 4 steps to increase your views on YouTube. First one, so if you've noticed when you watch a channel either that you enjoy or that you've just been exposed to, they always ask you to like and subscribe to their channel before they even start the video. For me, that's a major pet peeve because it comes off like it's not very genuine. You get what I'm saying? So for me personally, I don't do that shit. It's a pet peeve of mine. It drives me fucking crazy. If people like your content, they're gonna like your content regardless. You don't need to hound people for it. It doesn't make any damn sense. I'm gonna try not to cuss so much, but that shit's irritating. Also, the same for subscribing. So if someone enjoys your content, they're gonna subscribe. You don't have to beat them to death with it and remind them. So that's the first one. Me personally, I don't do it. I would recommend you don't do it. But at the end of the day, you guys are gonna do what you want. It's up to you. Tip number 2. So you want to keep your videos to the point and direct. It's okay to have side quests or side stories, not quests, side stories. Shit, I kind of fucked that up. Anyways, it's okay to have like a funny story that, as long as it pertains to the topic at hand, or if it helps keep the viewer engaged. You get what I'm saying? So that's the second one. It's also very important. So make sure you do it. Tip number 3 is your thumbnails. So your thumbnails, they need to be eye-catching. If they're not eye-catching, people are not going to click on your video. It doesn't matter how amazing you are as a person. It doesn't matter how good your information is if nobody watches it. So thumbnails are extremely important. People buy with their eyes. So this is something that is vital to YouTube if you do plan on doing YouTube full-time, or it's just something that you want to be successful at. It's a very big deal. So make sure that your thumbnails stand out, they're unique to you, and most importantly, have fun with it, guys. There's no point of trying to look like other people's thumbnails. Do what you think looks good, and over time you'll be able to attract those viewers to you that really enjoy you as a person and your content. So tip number 4, so you want to actually hold up, give me a second, guys, because I feel like I'm missing one, and I just want to make sure it's on the point. Let me see. Fuck, hold up. I got this little book that I use to make sure that, like, little notes I took, so make sure I don't go and miss something. Alright, so keep your video short. I don't think I said this one, but I know I touched on it in the previous video, but you do want to keep your videos short. Keep them direct, straight to the point. Yeah, that's really it, guys. I apologize. I'm not in my zone today, but I had to put some out for you guys. So that is 4 tips. It's actually like 3.5 tips to increase views on YouTube, part 2. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys next video. Peace.